हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, गुड इवनिंग। आप लोग कैसे हो? तो आप लोग आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे केमिकल रिएक्शन के बारे में। तो केमिकल रिएक्शन में है केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन। तो यहाँ है वन शॉट। आप वन शॉट में एक दिन में ही सब पढ़ सकते हैं। तो आइए आगे देखते हैं। केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन 100% पेपर यहीं से बनेगा। मतलब पेपर में आपको यहाँ से ही आएगा, अलग कुछ नहीं आने वाला है। तो ऑल क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम द केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑन वन शॉट्स। नाउ वी सी नेक्स्ट topics covered by today: the balancing a chemical reaction. Now we are discussing in this chapter about the types of reaction. We can see there are many types of the chemical reaction according as the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. The first we convey about the four reaction as a combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement. For adding, we have say the heat in the reaction, oxidation and reduction, and corrosion and rain acidity. And we also discuss about the physical and chemical changes. That is the topics covered today by this. Now I see next. Now we are discussing about the chemical reaction. So a chemical reaction is the reaction, a process in which new chemicals are formed. Hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas to produce water under some condition. So we can see the hydrogen gas react with the oxygen gas and produce water, but there are the under some condition. We can now see the chemical equation, the simple representation of a chemical reaction with a symbol of the formula. तो यहाँ पर इसका फार्मूला क्या है? हाइड्रोजन गैस ऑक्सीजन गैस से अपक्रिया करके जल बनाता है। तो व्हेन द हाइड्रोजन गैस रिएक्ट ऑन ऑक्सीजन गैस फॉर्म द वाटर एज ए लिक्विड. We can see the hydrogen gas in the form of the gas and oxygen gas also the form of the gas, but the water is the form of the liquid. The reaction will be carried out. We can see the solution in water, the water solution in the aqueous form, the insoluble in water part the ppt, and the solid part is the solid S, the symbol, the liquid the symbol of the L, the gas is the symbol of the G, and the arrow will be upward direction. Now we have see next how to write the chemical formula. So now we are discussing about the ions and symbol of the ions. So we want to tell you about the ions. First ion we can see the sodium ion. Sodium ions means symbol will be Na plus. Potassium ions means K plus. Silver ions means Ag plus. Copper first Cu plus. Here we can see the copper is the two form, cuprous and cupric. The cuprous is the plus one, Cu plus one, and cupric is the form of Cu double plus. Magnesium Mg2 plus. Calcium ions Ca plus 2 ion. Zinc ion Zn2 plus ion. Irons Irons also we can see the two way, ferrous and ferric. So ferrous the second Fe double ion. Copper as a cupric Cu double plus ion. Lead plumbous Pb2 plus ion. Barium Ba2 plus ion. Aluminium Al plus 3 ion. Iron as a ferric Fe3 plus ion. Now we can see the non-metallic and symbol. तो हाइड्रोजन आयन H प्लस, हाइड्राइड आयन H माइनस, क्लोराइड आयन Cl माइनस, ब्रोमाइड आयन Br माइनस, आयोडीन आयन I माइनस, ऑक्साइड आयन O2 माइनस, सल्फाइड आयन H2 माइनस, नाइट्रेट आयन N3 माइनस. The polyatomic ions and symbol: ammonium ion NH4 plus, hydroxide ion OH minus, nitrate NO3 minus, hydrogen carbonate HCO3 minus, carbonate CO3 minus minus, sulfite SO3 minus minus, और सल्फेट SO4 माइनस माइनस, फॉस्फेट आयन एज ए PO4 माइनस माइनस माइनस. तो वी कैन सी how to we form the formula when sodium ion react with chloride ion form the NaCl sodium chloride. अब now we have discussing about the aluminum chloride. They are aluminum ions Al3 plus and chloride ion Cl minus. Here the chloride atom will be 3, then the form the compound AlCl minus 3. Now we have discussing about the ferrous sulfate. So ferrous sulfate Fi2 plus and SO4 2 minus. So now we can see for the formation of the compound, the positive charges and negative charges will be equal. So we can see the ferrous ion 2 plus and sulfate ion 2 minus are equal, then the formed compound FiSO4, that is the name of the ferrous sulfate. Now we have discussing about lead nitrate. So lead Pb2 plus NO3 minus 1. So NO3 will be 2 molecule. So form the compound PbNO3 twice. Now we see the next, the balanced chemical equation. So now we are discussing about the balancing of the chemical equation. So here we also learn about the balancing of the chemical equation. So first we know number of the atom each element in a chemical equation should be the same on the left hand side and right hand side. That is the rule of the balancing of the atoms or elements. So here we see A2 gaseous form, B2 as a gaseous form. When react to each other, they form AB, but A is 2, B is 2, so form compound AB 2AB. If A2 is 4 gram, B2 is 6 gram, the formed compound of the 10 gram. So why balance the chemical equation? So we have discussed about the balance of the chemical. The total mass of the reactant should be equal to the total mass of the products. Second, law of the conservation of the mass. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed under the ordinary condition. It means in the ordinary condition we cannot create it or not destroy the masses of the compounds on the simple way. तो आइए हम लोग देखते हैं नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस सेट. Fi plus H2O form Fi3O4 plus H2. Now we have balanced is, so Fi should be 3 molecule and H2O should be 4 molecule, then form Fi3O4 1 molecule and 4 molecule H2 hydrogen gas. Now we have discussing about the metal. So we can see the potassium, sodium, silver, copper, magnesium, zinc, calcium, iron, aluminum, manganese, lead and barium, that are metals. Now we have discussing about the non-metals: chlorine, bromine, sulfide, nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, that are non-metal. Now we have can see the oxygen and hydrogen that's also been non-metal. तो repeat unit all atom and balance. तो क्या होगा? Next practice set, Al2O3 react with hydrochloric acid, form aluminum chloride and water. So we can balance Al2O3 plus HCl, AlCl3. We can see aluminum is the two items. So here we putting the right side 2 Al3. Now we can see the chlorine will be 6 atoms. So we put 6 on the hydro before the hydrochloric acid. Now left side the hydrogen atoms will be 6. Now we see the water as a 3H2O, 3 to just 6 items of the hydrogen and 3 atom of the oxygen of the left side and 3 hydrogen also on the right side. So that reaction is also balanced. Now we see the next. The practice set number 3. Now see the cupric oxide Cu2O plus Cu2S react each other and form the Cu and SO2. So now we can see we put the 2 before the cuprous oxide, then we can see the copper will be 6 atoms. Now we use the 6 before the copper and sulfur is the 1 atom and oxygen also be 2 atoms, then the form the SO2. That reaction is the balance. Now we have discussed about the 4 practice set. Barium chloride react with aluminum sulfate, form the barium sulfate and aluminum sulfate. Now we have balance. So now we can see Al2SO4 trias. So we put 2 AlC3, 2 used before the AlC3. The chlorine will be here 3 to just 6. Now we put the 3 before the barium chloride and sulfate also be 3 items. So we use the 3 before the barium sulfate. Now we can see the barium will be 3 atoms left and 3 atom right. Sulfate also with the 3 atoms. We can see the right also the 3 atoms. So now that is the balanced equation. Now we have discussing about the exercise number 5. Barium nitrate react decomposition. So decomposition to form the lead oxide, NO2 gas and oxygen gas. We can balance 2 PbNO3, 2 PbO plus 4 NO2 plus O2. We can see the nitrogen will be, there will be 4. So now we put 4 for NO2. Here we see the 2 PbNO3, so 2 PbO and 1 molecule of the oxygen gas. Now we see next. So consider the following chemical equation. P molecule of the aluminum react Q volume of the water, form R molecule of aluminum oxide and S molecule of the hydrogen gas. To balance this chemical equation, the value of the P, Q, R, S must be respectively. We can see 2 molecule of aluminum, 3 molecule of the water, and we can see the 1 molecule of aluminum oxide and 3 molecule of the hydrogen gas. For the balancing, in order of the second, we can see in order the balance of the below chemical equation, the value of X, Y and Z. Manganese oxide react with the hydrochloric acid, form the manganese chloride and Y molecule of water and Z molecule of the chlorine gas. Now we balance it. Manganese oxide is the one molecule, but the hydrochloric acid of the four molecule and form the manganese chloride one molecule, but the water in the two molecule and chlorine gas also one molecule. That is the balance reaction. That question comes on the CBSE board 2023. Now we see the next. Why do we balance a chemical equation? There need of the balancing of the chemical equation because the mass before the reaction mass of the after the reaction should be equal, so that we balance the chemical reaction. Name and state the law that suggests the balancing of the chemical equation. Balancing the following chemical equation: when the zinc react the phosphoric acid form the zinc phosphate and release the hydrogen gas. This question comes on 2025 in CBSE. Answer: so that the total mass of the reactant should be equal to the total mass of the product. Law of the conservation of mass: mass can neither be created nor be destroyed under the ordinary condition. So we can see three atoms of the zinc, two molecule of the phosphoric acid form the one molecule of the zinc phosphate and three molecule of the hydrogen gas. This reaction is the balance reaction. Now we see the next. The characteristics of the chemical reaction. So chemical reaction FECTS, facts. Facts is the form. F is the form of the formation of the precipitate. E the form of the evolution of the gas. E for the evolution of the gas. C the color changes. E represent for the color changes. T temperature changes. S state changes. So we can see the characteristics of the chemical reaction, how many changes carried out. We can see there are five facts of the changes. We can say facts. Facts means formation of the precipitate, evolution of the gases, color changes of the compound, and changes the temperature of the substance and changes the state of the compound. Now we can see the next types of the chemical reaction. We are now discussing about the types of the chemical reaction. We can see first reaction undergoes as combination reaction. We can see when two or more reactant combine to form a single product, that is known as combination reaction. Now for example, we can see two compounds A and B react each other, they form a new compound C as a single compound, that is known as combination reaction. Now we can next example see the two compound P and Q and R. There are the three compounds react to each other and form and produce a new compound X. That's reaction also known as a combination reaction. Now we see the next. Now we are seeing burning of the magnesium ribbon. Here we can discuss about the burning of the magnesium region when the magnesium ribbon combined with the oxygen gas are burned in the oxygen, they form the magnesium oxide as a solid. which color is the white powder and produce the heat. So we can see the magnesium burn in oxygen form the magnesium oxide and produce the heat. Important facts. So we can see first point, magnesium burn with dazzling white flame, very bright light. It means magnesium श्वेत प्रकाश के रूप में जलता है. ए व्हाइट मैग्नीशियम पाउडर इज वाचेज ग्लास. ग्लास में शीशे में हमें मैग्नीशियम सफ़ेद दिखाई देता है. हीट एनर्जी रिलेस्ड टू टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज. कह रहा है हीट एनर्जी रिलीज्ड so the temperature increase. Due to produce of the heat energy, the temperature increase. Combination and the exothermic reaction. The combination reaction they are carried out as the exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means उष्मा क्षेपी अभिक्रिया. इसमें हीट इवॉल्व होता है, हीट निकलता है. Now come and see the next. Why do we rub magnesium? Why do we rub magnesium with sandpaper? Answer we can see to remove any layer of the magnesium oxide already present on the magnesium ribbon. When we burn the ribbon, that's oxide converted. Why to keep the magnesium ribbon away from our eyes? The answer we can see because the reaction of the exothermic and it emits the dazzling white lights so bright that you cannot see for a short time after looking at it. So it means we cannot see the magnesium oxide in presence of time, so we keep the magnesium away from my eyes. Now next, select form of the following statement which not true about burning of the magnesium in air. Option A, declare it burn with the dazzling white. Option B, a white powder formed on the burning. Option C, it is and the endothermic reaction. No, it is not endothermic reaction. It is an example of the combination reaction. So we can say option C is incorrect, but option A, option B, option D is correct. So now we can see A, B, C correct and C is incorrect. This question come CBSE 2025. Now we see the next, quicklime in water. The quicklime, the formula is CaO. That state is the solid. React with the liquid form of the water, form the slaked lime calcium hydroxide as the aqueous and produce the heat. Quicklime, the formula CaO, and slaked lime formula CaOS twice. You can see the formula of the quicklime calcium oxide and slaked lime formula calcium hydroxide CaOS twice. Important point, rise temperature because that is the exothermic reaction. Second, quicklime react vigorously with water. Third, the water added slowly because reaction is the exothermic. We should added the slowly water because their reaction carried out the exothermic. Next point, combination and exothermic reaction carried out. Quicklime used in the making cement. Now we can see activity 1.4. We can see a jar. They are putting water and calcium oxide as a quicklime which can see the white color in the water as a jar. Now we see the next. The balanced chemical equation showing reaction between quicklime and water is the when quicklime react with water form 2CaOH plus H2 plus heat. That reaction is the false because formula of the select lime is CaOH twice. CaOH twice. We can say the select line formula is CaOH twice, but we see here CaOH, so the option A is wrong. Now we see the option B. Calcium oxide react with water, form the calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas and heat. The equation B is the right, but here not the form of the hydrogen gas, so that reaction is also wrong. Now we can see the third C. Calcium oxide react with water, form calcium hydroxide plus heat. That is the correct answer of C. D option say 2 molecule of calcium oxide react with 3 molecule of reaction. Now we can see 2 molecule of the calcium and 3 molecule of that reaction is also wrong because there is the 6 hydrogen, but there is 6 hydrogen, oxygen will be 5, but here oxygen will be 6 to 8, so that is the false reaction. So at last the reaction is right, the option C. We can see the option C is the correct answer. Now we have see the next whitewash wall. So calcium hydroxide, which is called the select lime solution, is used for the whitewashing walls. It reacts slowly with carbon dioxide from air. Calcium carbonate is the formed in 2 or 3 days on the wall. This layer of the calcium carbonate as a solid gives the shiny wall. Now we can see the reaction as a below. Calcium hydroxide as the aqueous form react with the carbon dioxide gas, form the calcium carbonate as a solid and form the liquid form of the water. So select lime calcium hydroxide from air, तो एयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड form the compound calcium carbonate, that is the solid, and water H2O as a liquid. Now we see the next. Other example of the combination reaction. Burning of the coal. Here coal is carbon as a solid, react with oxygen gas, form the carbon dioxide gas. Second reaction, we can see the formation of the water from the hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. The 2 molecule of the hydrogen gas react with 1 molecule of oxygen gas, form the 2 molecule of the water as a liquid. So select from the following a process in which the combination reaction is involved. We see black and white photography, burning of the coal, burning of the methane, digesting of the food. The burning of the coal, equation B is correct. Now we see the next. Decomposition reaction. Now here we are discussing about the decomposition reaction. First we see the definition of the decomposition reaction. The reverse of the combination, one reactant breaks into 2 or more than the more products. That is called decomposition. It means when the when any compound decomposed one or more than one compound, that's reaction known as decomposition reaction. Now we can see a compound AB decomposed into A and B, so it is called decomposition reaction. We can see the, for example, calcium carbonate as a solid known as the limestone. When heating it decomposing into two parts as a quicklime and carbon dioxide gas. The quicklime formula CaO, that is the solid form, and carbon dioxide as a gas. Quicklime is used to making the cement. So we can see the quicklime used in the making the cement. Now we see the next. Identify the product X obtaining in the following chemical reaction when calcium carbonate hits therefore calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So calcium oxide, that is known as the quicklime. Option A say quicklime, option B say gypsum, option C the limestone, option D the plaster of Paris. So that answer is the correct. Quicklime, option A is correct. This question came 2024. Now we see the next. AB as a X divide into Y and Z, AB divide A and B, that is known as the decomposition. Decomposition reaction have the three form known as the heat decomposition, electricity decomposition, light decomposition. So heat decomposition known as the thermal decomposition, electricity decomposition known as the electrolyte decomposition, and light is known as the photochemical decomposition. It means the decomposition reaction carried out into three forms as known as thermal decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reaction, photochemical decomposition reactions. Now we see next. There we can see the thermal decomposition या thermolysis. The thermal decomposition reaction known as a thermolysis, which means heat produces. We can see the ferrous sulfate of the two molecule ferrous sulfate as a green color. When heated, it decomposing into three parts, that is the ferric oxide as a solid, sulfur dioxide gas as a gaseous, SO3 sulfide gas as a gaseous. The reddish brown color. So ferrous sulfate change into ferric oxide, their color change from green to reddish brown. We can see in the figure. कर रहा है opening gas gently towards the nose. Do not point the mouth of boiling tube at your neighbors or yourself. Boiling tube, ferrous sulfide crystal. Now we have seen the reaction. Ferrous sulfate crystal are the green in color. On heating it loses water and changes into white color. On further heating, ferric oxide is formed, which is the reddish brown in color. The smell of the burning sulfur as the matchstick smell of the SO2 gas. The suffocating odor, pungent smell. SO2 and SO3 are the air pollution and acidity in the nature. Thermal decomposition and endothermic reaction. This reaction is known as the endothermic reaction because this reaction starts when the compound heating. Now we can see the next. Now we can see the ferrous sulfate, which color is green when heating. the green color of the ferrous sulfate, that is the hydrated ferrous sulfate crystal. When heated, it decomposes ferrous sulfate and 7 molecule of the water released. That color is the white. We can see 2FeSO4 on heating the ferrous sulfate, it converts into the ferric oxide Fe2O3 as a solid, SO2 gas and SO3 gas. That color of the Fe2O3 is the ferric oxide is the reddish brown color. Reddish brown color. So what is the observed when the hydrated ferrous sulfate crystal are heated in a dry boiling tube? Give balanced chemical equation of the reactions that occurs here. This question comes CBSE Board 2025. Now we can see the next list of the possible sources of the energy required in decomposition reaction. Illustrate any one with a suitable examples for a answer. Heat, light and electricity. Heat, thermal decomposition of the ferrous sulfate crystal. We can see the reaction the ferrous sulfate 2FeSO4 when heating they divide into the Fe2O3 as a ferric oxide, SO2 gas and SO3 gas. The Fe2O3 color is the reddish brown. 2PbNO3 का टॉयस यस ऑन हीटिंग 2PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. The PbO is the lead oxide yellow residue and NO2 is the brown fumes. The important point here we can see when reaction carry out the cracking of the sound brown fumes of the NO2 gas irritating smell, and next point yellow solid residue lead oxide as a solid. NO2 gas is the acidic in nature and turn the moist blue litmus paper. The thermal decomposition and endothermic reaction carried out we can see here. Now we see the next. The products obtained when the lead nitrate is heated in a boiling tube are lead oxide plus NO2 plus O2. It means option A PbO, NO2 and O2. Option B NO, PbO and O2. Option C Pb, NO3 and O2. Option D NO2, PbO, O2. So that we can see the reaction will be the D is the correct. Electrolytic decomposition are the electrolysis. We can see the when electricity provided into the water liquid, it decomposed into 2H2 gas and O2 gas. Their reaction carried out in three ways. Hydrogen gas is obtained at the cathode plate and oxygen gas as a anode plate. Second, carry out volume of the gases of hydrogen and oxygen in 2:1. Third point, mass ratio of the gases S2 and S2 1:A. PaO. P का मतलब पॉजिटिव, ए का मतलब एनोड और ओ का मतलब ऑक्सीजन. Now we can see the next. The burning candle is the brought near cathode S2. First, pop sound heard and candle is extinguished. Second, the combustible but not the supporter of the combustion, anode. reaction oxygen gas. First, candle burn more bright, rekindles and glowing splatter. Second, not the combustible but a supporter of the combustor. Fourth, fifth point. Pure water is the poor conduct of the electricity, so a few drops of the acid are added into the water. The acid act as an the electrolyte and allow the solution to conduct of the electricity. Now we can see the next page. While the electrolyzing water before the passing the current, some drop of an acid are added. Why? Name the gases liberated at the cathode and anode. Write the relationship between the volume of the gas collected at the anode and the volume of the gas collected at the cathode. This question asked CBSE Board 2023. Now we can see the pure water is the poor conductor of the electricity. It means the pure water cannot process the electricity. So we add the some amount of the acid into the water to process the electricity to make it good conductor. A few drops of the dilute acid like dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 are added before passing the electric current. Second, we can see gas liberated as cathode hydrogen gas, gas liberated at anode as a oxygen gas O2 gas. We can see. Now we have discussing about the photochemical decomposition या photolysis. We can see the sunlight. There is the silver chloride, the China dish. We can see the silver chloride as a white color as a solid. When the sunlight falls on the silver chloride break into two parts as the silver and chlorine gas. Silver color is the gray while the chlorine gas the yellowish green color. Now we have discussing the silver bromide as a solid. When sunlight passing it that convert into the silver solid and bromine gas. This is why AgCl and AgBr are kept in the black color bottle protect from the sunlight because it react with sunlight and form the new compound used in the black and white photography. Now we have discussed about the next. Silver chloride kept in the China dish turn gray in sunlight. Option A. Write the color of the silver when it is kept in the China dish. Question B. The name of the type of the chemical reaction taking place and write the chemical equation for the reaction. Question C. State one use of the reaction. Name one more chemical which can be used for the same purpose. This question carried out CBSE Board 2023. The first answer, silver chloride was white in color when kept in the China dish. Question number B answer, the types of the reaction is the photochemical decomposition reaction. This reaction we can see when the silver chloride react with the photosynthesis form the 2Ag plus Cl2 gas in presence of the sunlight. This reaction carry out in presence of the sunlight. The answer of the C. This reaction is used in black and white photography. Silver bromide AgBr can also be used for the same purpose. Now we see the next. Displacement reaction. More reactive element replace a less reactive element from its compounds. A is more reactive than B. Reactivity series we can see. When A react with the BC as a compound, form the new compound AC plus B, means A displace B and A react with C, form the AC and B replaced. So we can see the series of the most reactivity. K potassium, Na sodium, Ca calcium, Mg magnesium, Al aluminium, Zn zinc, Fe iron, Pb lead, H hydrogen, Cu copper, Hg mercury, Ag silver, Au gold. So we can see the increasing order from below to up direction. So potassium is most reactive compound, where the gold is the less reactive compound in this series. Now we see the chemical reaction. Zinc react copper sulfate, form the zinc sulfate and release the copper red brown color. Zinc react with the sulfuric acid, form the zinc sulfate and release the hydrogen gas. Iron react with copper sulfate, form the ferrous sulfate and release the copper. Copper react with lead sulfate in aqueous form the copper sulfate plus Pb. But this reaction cannot carry out because the copper is the less reactive, so that compound cannot be formed. We can see in the series copper is the below to lead, so copper is the less reactive than the Pb, so copper cannot react and release the lead sulfate from the lead. Now we see the activity 1.9. Iron nail is copper sulfide solution. So iron nail Fe react with copper sulfate as aqueous, which color is the blue, react lead sulfate and released the copper as the reddish brown as a PPT. The color of the ferrous sulfate is the light green. So we can see this reaction iron nail and copper sulfate solution. So blue color of the copper sulfate. So straight blue color. Now its color change as a green. The green color is the ferrous sulfate. That is the nail. So second we can see the nail, iron nail taken out from the copper sulfide solution. That is the reddish brown color. A student has the dipped some iron nails in the aqueous solution of the copper sulfate. After about 25 minutes, he would observe that the color of the solution has changed for the blue color of colorless, blue and pale green color. C pale green and to blue color. D pale green colorless. So we can see the ferrous react with the ferrous sulfate a green color. So there is the blue green color होगा, blue to pale green color. So option B is correct. This question are carried out 2025. Now we can see zinc react the H2S4, form the zinc sulfate and release the hydrogen gas and release the heat. Observation, we can see the zinc granulations is the yellowish color and the dilute sulfuric acid. Observation, H2 gas is the colorless and odorless, burn with a pop sound and extinguish the burning candle. Now second condition, temperature increases, the reaction is the highly exothermic reaction. Third conclusion, dilute acid is used because the concentrated acids would make it even more exothermic and the dangerous reaction. Now we can see the next study of the diagram given below and identify the gas formed in the reaction. So we can see the zinc react with the sulfuric acid as the aqueous form the compound zinc sulfate and released the hydrogen gas. Option A said carbon dioxide with extinguished or burning. B. Oxygen due to which a candle burning more. That is wrong. So sulfur dioxide which produce a suffocating smell. That is wrong. Option D. Hydrogen which is burning produces the pumping sound. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Now we have discussing about the double displacement reaction, exchange of the ions between the reactions. A plus B minus react with C plus D minus, the compound form A react with D form AD, B react with C form the BC. The N2SO4 aqueous react with the barium chloride aqueous. The barium chloride is colorless and N2SO4 is colorless, form the barium sulfate which is the white PPT and form the NaCl as a aqueous. That reaction known as the double displacement reactions. Now we can see the next. Which of the following reaction different from the remaining three? NaCl react with AgCl, form AgCl plus NaNO3. Option B. Calcium oxide react with water, form calcium hydroxide combination. Potassium nitrate react with sulfuric acid, form KHSO4 plus HNO3. और ऑप्शन डी zinc chloride react with hydrogen sulfide, form the zinc sulfide or hydrochloric acid. So their reaction B is the correct. Sodium sulfate aqueous, barium chloride is aqueous. Sodium sulfate aqueous react with the barium chloride. So sodium sulfate is colorless and barium chloride is aqueous and colorless. But when react to each other, form the barium sulfate as a solid and sodium chloride as a aqueous. The color of the barium sulfate white PPT insoluble in water. Observation we can see first white insoluble substance precipitate of the barium sulfate is the fall. Second, double displacement and the precipitation reaction. The precipitation reaction when the two aqueous solutions soluble in solution react to term and a semi-soluble or insoluble salt, that is called precipitate, and such reaction is called precipitation reaction. Third, ions is solution. Now we have discussed what is the observation when a aqueous solution of the sodium sulfate is added to an aqueous solution of the barium chloride taken in the test tube. Write the chemical equation for the chemical that occurs and name of the type of reaction. We can see this reaction. This question are also works in CBSE Board 2025. Answer: white insoluble substance precipitate of the barium sulfate is formed. We can see the reaction sodium sulfate aqueous react with barium chloride aqueous that form the barium sulfate and sodium chloride. The color of the barium sulfate that is insoluble in water, that white PPT. Now we see the next. Lead nitrate potassium iodide aqueous. Lead nitrate and potassium oxide react and form the lead iodide and potassium nitrate aqueous. The lead iodide is the LOPPT insoluble in water. They are carry out the first LO insoluble substance precipitate of the barium iodide is formed. Second, we can say double displacement reaction and precipitation reaction. Third, iron insoluble. Iron is soluble. Potassium and nitrate. Heat reaction. Now we have discussed about the heat reaction. A and B on heating form the C and heat released, that is the exothermic reaction. Example for the respiration. So we can see the carbohydrate convert into the glucose. Glucose create oxygen react and form the carbon dioxide and the liquid as a water and form the energy. That is the heat in the reaction. Now see the next. Burning of the natural gas, methane gas burn on the in presence of the oxygen, form the carbon dioxide, water, and produce the heat. Third, decomposition of the vegetable into compost. Fourth, burning of the magnesium ribbon. Magnesium react with oxygen, form the magnesium oxide and produce the heat. 5. Quick lime with water. Quick lime react with water and form calcium hydroxide, white PPT, and release the heat. Now we see next. Heat A divide into B and C, that is endothermic या decomposition reaction. Example decomposition of तो फेरस सल्फेट रिएक्ट करेगा, हमको रिएक्शन बताना है. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट रिएक्ट करेगा, हीट पर क्या बनेगा बताना है. तो फेरस सल्फेट बनेगा FeO प्लस SO3. कैल्शियम carbonate on heating form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Lead nitrate, lead oxide and NO2 gas. AgCl on heating Ag plus Cl2 gas. AgBr 2Ag plus Br2 gas. H2O, H2 gas and oxygen gas. Now we see glucose C6H12O3 is the form of aqueous, react with the oxygen as a aqueous, form the 6 molecule of the carbon dioxide and 6 molecule of the water. Heat respiration. This above reaction is AN. ऑप्शन ए करा है डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, ऑप्शन बी करा है एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, ऑप्शन सी करा है एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, डी करा है न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. So there will be the exothermic reaction. Option C is correct. Select the endothermic reaction from the following. Decomposition of the vegetable matter into the decomposed. Exothermic decomposition of the calcium carbonate to the form the quicklime and carbon dioxide. तो ऑप्शन सी का रहा है बर्निंग ऑफ द कैंडल्स. नो. प्रोसेस ऑफ द रेस्पिरेशन एक्सोथर्मी, यहाँ इंडोथर्मी. तो डी इज नो, बी इज नो, तो सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. Now we have see the oxidation and reduction. A react O2 form the oxide, B react the H2 reduction. तो कह रहा है ऑक्सीडेशन इफ द केमिकल ए गैसेस gains oxygen loss hydrogen, it is called oxidation of A. A is said to be oxidized. Gains hydrogen loss oxygen, it is called the reduction of B. B is said to be reduction reaction. Now we can see the next way. We can see the zinc oxide react with carbon, form the zinc oxide and carbon monoxide. There is the oxidation zinc oxide. reduction of the zinc and oxidation of the carbon. We can see. Now, redox reaction. The A reaction in which the oxidation and reduction both occurs once. That is called redox reaction. Now next, the jigsaw होगा ऑक्सीडेशन हो बनेगा रिडक्शन एजेंट जिसका होगा रिडक्शन वो बनेगा ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग तो MnO2 प्लस 4HCl फार्म MnCl2 प्लस 2HCl प्लस Cl2 तो यहाँ पर 4HCl का ऑक्सीडेशन लॉस ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन निकल रहा है तो इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है मैग्नीज ऑक्साइड में ऑक्सीजन निकल रहा है क्लोरीन जुड़ रहा है तो रिडक्शन होगा तो ए कह रहा है मैग्नीज ऑक्साइड इज ऑक्सीडाइज एंड HCl इज रेड्यूजेंट गलत बात बी कह रहा है HCl या ऑक्सीडाइज सही MnO2 इज द रेड्यूज ये भी सही है कह रहा है DD MnO2 reduce and HCl is oxidized that is correct. Oxidation of the copper react with oxygen on heat form the cuprous oxide black color observation the reddish brownish copper metal changes to black color CuS as a solid. Second करा if the H2 gas is the passed over the cuprous oxide black color changes to brown. The here reaction we can see the cuprous oxide as a black color react with the hydrogen gas on heating the copper as a solid the reddish brown color and form the water. The loss of the oxygen that is the reduction. A copper wire on burning in a flame get the coated with a black substance rewrite the chemical equation of the reaction that takes place. How can this chemical changes is the reverse CBSE Board 2025. Answer Cu solid react with oxygen heat that is the oxidation form the CuS the black color of the so that is the oxidation reaction. This can be reversed by passing H2 over Cu plus heat. CuO plus H2O form the Cu plus H2O that is the reduction. So we can see if we convert both reaction that is called redox reaction. Now next corrosion. When the metal is the attacked by the substance around it such as the moisture, water, vapor, oxygen, acid, etc. It is said to corrode and this process is called corrosion. Corrosion example rusting of the iron. Iron react with oxygen with moisture H2O that is form the reddish brown color of the iron keel that is called also corrosion. It is called corrosion. Now we can see the next. The tarnishing of the copper red and green color. The copper, oxygen gas, hydrogen, water and carbon dioxide, copper hydroxide and copper carbonate and green color. Third reaction है tarnishing of the silver gray to black color silver H2S plus O2 silver sulfide as a black color. Note corrosion is an example of the oxidation. Corrosion is the example of the corrosion. Now we see rain acidity. So the taste of the smell of the food, the material containing fat oil changes when it is left exposed to air for a long time. Oxidation of the fat oil present in the food material cause of the rain acidity. Prevention, antioxidant, airtight container, bags of the chips the fused with the nitrogen gas. तो what gas are putting in the chips, we can say the nitrogen gas are putting in the chips. Now we see the next chemical changes. A chemical reaction happens, shape, size, color, etc. may be also changes. New chemical are formed, that is called chemical changes. You can see the burning of the bread or the in presence of the oxygen. We can see there is the all changes are the chemical changes. Now we can see the next physical changes. No chemical reaction happened, shape, size, color, etc. may be changed. No new chemical are formed. We can see the boiling water from the evaporation, that is the physical changes. Melting of the ice, that is the physical changes. Melting of the wax, that is physical changes. Or crashing of the paper cup, that is the physical changes. Crystallization is the physical changes, that is the physical changes. तो थैंक यू सो मच नाइस धन